Good morning all. Today we are studying redox reactions. Reduction and oxidation both takes place redox. Here electrons are transferred from reductant to oxidant. For example, sodium plus chlorine, NaCl. So what is the first step? Indicate oxidation numbers 0 to plus 1, 0 to minus 1. These are oxidation states. Sodium is oxidized. It loses electrons. Chlorine is reduced. Chlorine is reduced. Gains electrons. 0 to minus 1. Oxidized means oxidation number increases. Reduced means oxidation number decreases. So overall it is redox reaction. Electrons are transferred from sodium to chlorine. Sodium is reductant because it loses electrons, or it is oxidized. Chlorine is oxidant. It gains electrons. These two are reactants. These two are reactants. Sodium and chlorine are reactants. Sodium is reductant, chlorine is oxidant. Okay, I give one more thing you should tell me. MnO4 minus plus C2O4 minus 2 Mn2 plus CO2. Okay, that is equation. Now it is not balanced equation, right? Here plus 7 to plus 2 oxidation numbers. Why it is plus 7? MnO4 minus Tx. How many oxygens? 4 oxygens. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 7. Next, come to this C2O4 minus 2. I am finding oxidation state of carbon 2x. 1 oxygen minus 2, 4 oxygens minus 8 is equal to minus 2, x is equal to plus 3. CO2, carbon X. How many oxygens are there? 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Now, no charge, no plus, no minus, you put 0. Here minus 1, okay, here I am putting minus 1. Here minus 2, but here 0. X is equal to plus 4. First it is important to indicate oxidation numbers. Okay. Plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 3 to plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 3 to plus 4. MnO4 minus is reduced because oxidation number decreases. Plus 7 to plus 2. Oxalate, it is oxalate, is oxidized. Plus 3 to plus 4. Plus 3 to plus 4, oxidation number increases. MnO4 minus is reduced, so MnO4 minus act as oxidant. C2O4 is oxidized, C2O4 is reductant. Okay, so they ask in examination oxidant, reductant, oxidized, reduced. Okay, permanganate is oxidant, it is reduced. Oxalate is reductant, it is oxidized. I am taking copper plus HNO3, copper nitrate plus NO plus water. Okay. Tell me, indicate oxidation numbers first. What is your role? Indicate oxidation number 0. It is free state. It is plus 2. Copper nitrate, NO3 minus 1. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. Here HNO3 plus 5, NO plus 2, right. 0 2 plus 2. Oxidation number increases, oxidized. Plus pi 2 plus 2 reduced. See, think mathematically. 0 2 plus 2 increases, plus pi 2 plus 2 decreases. 0 2 plus 2 increases, plus pi 2 plus 2 reduces. It is redox reaction. 0 2 plus 2 increases. Oxidation means oxidation number increases. Reduced means oxidation number decreases. LHS to RHS. Copper is reductant. Okay, here HNO3 is oxidant. HNO3 is oxidant. So we need to identify oxidant and reductant. Okay, in this reaction, copper is reductant, HNO3 is oxidant. Okay. Now how to balance this equation, redox? I am first giving simplest one, aluminum plus O2 gives Al2O3 for example. How to balance this? Step 1, indicate oxidation numbers, 0, 0, plus 3, take one atom, one aluminum, one oxygen, okay? Here 2 are there, take 1. Here 2 and 3, take 1, plus 3, plus 2. 0 2 plus 3, how many electrons? 3 electrons. 0 2 minus 2, how many electrons? Okay, 2 electrons. But how many aluminiums here? 1. How many oxygens? 2. Right. Here how many oxygens? 2 oxygens. 2 into 2, 4 electrons. Okay, 1 into 3, 3 electrons. How to equalize this? 1 aluminum, 1 into 0. 2 oxygens, 2 into 0. Okay, 2 into minus 2. See, always focus on left hand side, not on right hand side. How should we equalize this? How to equalize these electrons? 4 electrons, 4 into 3, 12 electrons. 3 into 4, 12 electrons. So plus O2, 4 into O2. Okay, aluminum, 3 into this. Okay, here 3 into 4. So multiply 4 into 3. 1 second. 0 to 4. Aluminum 0 to plus 3, 3 electrons. Okay. Oxygen 2 into 0, 2 into minus 2, 4 electrons. 3 into 4, 4 into 3. So Al2O3 should equalize electrons. So aluminum 4 into 3, it is multiplied with 4. 4 into 3, 3 into 4. 4 into 3, 12 electrons. 3 into 2. Sorry, here 3 into oxygen, how many electrons? 4 electrons. 4 into 3, 12 electrons. 3 into 4, 12 electrons. Should equalize electrons. 4 into 3. Aluminum is multiplied with 4. Oxygen is multiplied with 3. Okay, electrons are equalized. Is the main step. Here how many aluminums here? 4 aluminums. Everything is balanced. Everything is balanced. See carefully. How many electrons? First thing, how many electrons are involved here? That is important. How many electrons? Balance this. Ammonia plus O2 gives NO plus water. How to balance this redox reaction? Minus 3. It is plus 2. How many electrons? 5 electrons. Minus 3 difference. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, 5 electrons. Here oxygens 1 into minus 3, 1 into plus 2. Here 2 into 0, 2 into minus 2. How many electrons here? 4 electrons. 2 into 0, 2 into minus 2. So how to equalize this? 5 into 4, 4 into 5. That is important. 4 into 5, 4 into 5. Okay. Next one, 5 into this, 5 into 4, 20 electrons. NO plus water. NO plus water. How many nitrogens here? 4. Okay. How many oxygens here? 10. Already 6 are there. 4 are there. 6 H2O. Everything is balanced. It is the way to balance redox reaction. Okay. Way to should equalize electrons. Should equalize electrons. I take this MnO4 minus, C2O4 2 minus, Mn2 plus CO2. It is. Okay, acidic medium. What is this? Acidic medium. Plus 7 to plus 2. Tell me how many electrons? 5 electrons. Here plus 3. 2 into plus 3. 2 carbons. See always formula. Formula or ion. How many are there? 2 carbons. Here same 2 into plus 4. Difference is 2 electrons. Plus 6 plus 8. So how to equalize electrons? 2 into 5. 5 into 2. So 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Here how many manganese? 2. How many carbons? 10. Okay, finally balance oxygen and hydrogen. To balance oxygen, water. To balance hydrogen, H plus. To deficient side. This point keep in the mind. To balance oxygen, water. To balance hydrogen, H plus. First to balance oxygen. Finally balance hydrogen. Here how many oxygens? Here 28. Here 20. 28. Here 20. So 2 MnO4 minus. I am balancing oxygens. 2 Mn2 plus 10 CO2. Here how many oxygens? Here 28. Already 20 are there. 8 H2O. Oxygen is balanced. Balance oxygen. Balance, last step, balance hydrogens. How many hydrogens here? 16. How many RHS? How many hydrogens are RHS? Sorry, well, RHS means right hand side. 16. So add this 16 H plus. 16 H plus. 10 CO2 plus 8 H2O. See here. What is the charge here? Plus 4. Charge minus 2 plus minus 10 plus 16. Here is equal to how much? Plus 4. Charge also should be equal on both sides. Not only atoms. You should equalize charges. Same charge on both sides. Same charge on both sides. Today I am concluding section now.